Introduce highlight features or overview summary for FABULETTA, ultra-thin robotic vacuum with mop. You can find wanted here. Shop from a wide selection of devices in different configurations for your needs, filter by specification type, brand and more. Highlight features or overview summary are include. Ultra-thin design. This robot vacuum cleaner features an ultra-slim profile, effortlessly sliding under furniture and into tight corners for a thorough clean throughout your home. Dual functionality. Equipped with sweeping and mopping capabilities, it effectively removes dust, dirt, and pet hair. Your floors are left spotless and polished. Rechargeable convenience. The Rechargeable allows for extended cleaning without the hassle of cords, automatically returning to its charging station when needed. Smart navigation. Advanced navigation technology intelligently maps your home, avoiding obstacles and providing comprehensive coverage without missing any spots. Hair management. Designed with pets in mind, this vacuum captures hair and dander efficiently, promoting a cleaner and healthier living environment for you and your furry friends. If you want to get full features or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. You can press to subscribe, recommend new products releases, update all day YouTube channel, to get instant notifications of all future uploads. Thank you and see you next video.